Concerns are being raised about the safety of dancehall icon Vybez Kartel. A fan has come forward with a stark warning, urging the artist to be cautious and suggesting that leaving Jamaica may be in his best interest. Let's take a look at what was said.
It's a free world boss. A world boss free, so it's a protect world boss. So we want to protect world boss. I want to send out the video. Vybez Kartel, I want you pre Young Police channel. Cause I see boss I push out some video about you from there. And you know you're a good artist. Jamaica rate you. When you get free, I do a video. I'm say, teacher, respect you. Leave Jamaica, please. Leave Jamaica, please. Me respect you, your money tall. You can buy us anywhere in the world. See? Leave Jamaica. You see, make a club where you constantly go. Leave that club. You see, they constantly go up on your live and I show your location. Please stop it. Strengthen up max security. If I did I give them 100 grand a week, give them 2 million a week. I'm going to run everybody file around you. Not trust nobody. Watch Young Police channel. You're there in social media every day. You have artists who rate you. We don't want to see no more artists dead in Jamaica. Right? Leave Jamaica. We respect you. We love you. Gaza. Boss. I watch some video from out here. What them say? Them saying hitman come to Jamaica for you. Be careful. Them a track you. Them try to track your vehicle and make them here. Be careful. Leave Jamaica, my friend. I'm here the first youth come out and say free teacher. Now the first youth come out and say you have a bust your case. I'm here the first youth come out and say if you leave Jamaica as a bust the case. Don't trust Jamaica system. Yes, them corrupt. The justice system, yeah, the police, them are corrupt too. Yeah, you have good police, you have bad police. Leave Jamaica. Leave Jamaica. If it not go so, it near for go so. Leave Jamaica. Freedom Street. I know you are going to do that show there. But think. If your powers tell you to do it, do it. If your powers tell you put it off, put it off. Because if them try to forget it, them plan anyway. See? I've got to start wear vest and all them things. Believe it. And the next vehicle you purchase, want to purchase a couple of the armor. Bulletproof them. We don't want nothing there. We respect you. I are the goat. I are run the music fraternity. I are the biggest artist right now in the world. Believe it. Vybez Kartel, I are run the world.